I copy. Target trailer. Push down.
Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah, let's go.
5832 exiting Bellevue.
Exiting Bellevue, 305.
5 David 32, they just lost the trailer. It is blocking the exit to Bellevue. The truck is now eastbound. 5 David 32, I'm pursuing the truck. Speeds of about 70, eastbound Bellevue. Speeds about 75, light traffic.
I copy. And we have Englewood with multiple units with you.
Copy. Speeds about 80, continuing eastbound. I believe the chunks of the wheel are coming off. And we are just past Steel Street. Speeds of 83, still riding on the wheel.
Speeds of 83, riding on the wheel, 309.
Do you want to get your car up here?
I do 32, east of Fairfax, speeds of 70.
East of Fairfax, speeds of 70.
I do 32, speeds of 70. And they're firing shots, I believe.
Speeds of 70, firing shots at 309.
Yeah, 5 David 32, I believe they're firing shots out the window.
I copy. Shots fired at 310.
5 David 32, approaching Monaco.
Richmond, you got something up there? We're working on right on security. The car pushed out, I think, south, but I'm going to clear the lots of stuff.